The cabinet has approved Zimbabwe's campaign strategy for a non-permanent seat on the United Nations Security Council (UNSC) for the 2027 to 2028 term. Sandamina mashikobuda panapa tinoona kuti our Zimbabwe sites are on UN Security Council seat. Ndobo subscribe like or turn the bell icon. Timna no more Blanyo speaking at a post-cabinet media briefing in Harare on Tuesday. The Minister of Information, Publicity and Broadcasting Services, Jennifer Muswede, said that if Zimbabwe is successfully elected to the Security Council, President Mnangagwa will use the position to engage with and to win support from Western nations. The elections are scheduled to take place during this year's UN General Assembly in September in New York. Zimbabwe's bid for a non-permanent seat at the UN Security Council for the 2027-28 term has already been endorsed by both the Southern African Development Community SADC and the African Union AU, and will be officially launched by His Excellency President Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa in Harare in New York during the 80th session of the United Nations General Assembly in September 2025. The outcome will be the reaffirmation of the country's commitment to upholding international peace and security, as well as the generation of international goodwill towards the country. The UNSCC has 10 non-permanent members elected by the UN General Assembly to serve 2-year terms. While these members do not have veto power, they take part in decisions on international peace and security matters. The Council also have 5 permanent members, commonly known as P5, China, France, Russia, and United Kingdoms, and the United States. These countries hold veto power, meaning they can block any substantive resolution. Thomas Parubuda panapa tukunoti aiwa nyika yeZimbabwe yonzi aiwa yoda kupindira aiwa pa United Nations Security Council ichida kukambena kuti iwane seat. Ngotize pakufungira inyi muri kudipa musoro pechitiko ichi. Hatukona kunya kuende SADC. It is supporting the move yekuti Zimbabwe ikwanisa kuno contest over elections waya. Tudze mafungira inyi muri kudipa musoro pechitiko ichi na comment section medu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.